Hi everyone, how's it going? It's me Sabine here from Sabine Digital. Welcome to my DFY Suite 3.0 review. In this video, I'm going to be doing a review of an updated version DFY Suite 2.0, which is basically a social syndication software allow you to rank your any new blog website or your any video on top of the YouTube. And I'm also going to be showing you some of my personal result that I have got with this amazing tool, which is definitely going to be giving you a worth of this software, how this is going to be helping you to get some easy result with a ranking system on the Google and a YouTube, allowing you to drive a more traffic, sales and a conversion to your content. So as you can see, I'm already inside the main dashboard of the DFY Suite 3.0, where I'm going to be taking you through the entire software. And if you're watching this video on the YouTube, I'm going to be recommending you to visit this blog page by clicking a link down below this video description, which will take you to the exact same blog page which you are seeing, where I have mentioned every single detail about this product, what is the DFY Suite 3.0, okay, what are the features of the software, why this is good for you, what will be the pricing and funnel of the product, how much basically you have to pay them for getting their software, how you are going to be using this to get a profit, what are the bonuses that you can get if you decided that you are going to be getting a copy of this one, and what is actually a new feature inside the software, which is really important, because if you do not know what is new inside this software, why to normally pay a money, because if you already has got their previous version, right? But if you do not have their previous version, I'm going to be recommending you to get your copy of their updated version 3.0. Price will be the same, but you are going to be getting a lot new feature. So let's begin with our review. So now as you can see, this is a credit based system. So you will have a credit on your account that you are going to be using to normally build your link, build a syndication and every single thing. Okay, so as you can see, this is a total number of a total campaign which has been created. This is a total link which has been generated this month by using this, and they also has got a detailed tutorial for anyone who want to use their software and learn how they are gonna be using it properly, like SEO and DFY Suite, navigating your campaign, network info plus submitting your campaign, how many links that you should build to get a rank, and many more things. So now for creating a campaign, just click on a campaign option and click on create campaign. So now on a campaign section, you have to go through a basic detail here. What will be the name of the campaign? So I'm going to be giving my name, URL. As an example, I'm going to be including the URL of my review blog just to show you what is my main keyword. So my main keyword is DFY Suite 3.0 review. Okay, so whenever someone search this, my content should be ranked. And if I normally click on update over here and click on next, now as you can see here, automatically generate content. If you do not want this, just disable this. Okay, or I'm going to be enabling this. It will automatically generate a content and post these content on other social syndication website that they have got on their server, technically a guest post on their server with your blog post link or your YouTube video link, allowing you to get a link juice towards your website, which will boost the authority and the ranking on your website. So now as you can see, I have enabled that. If you want to manually write the title, description or article that you want to send for a guest post, you can do that. Okay, I'm not going to be doing that. And you also has got another method called create a niche content by using API. You can also click that, but I'm not going to be clicking that. And if you want to normally embed a video, just click on embed a video and include your YouTube video or Vimeo video or any video that you want to rank on the Google, that video URL over this box. It will help you to normally do that. So let me quickly go to a YouTube and normally choose a one random video that I want to include over here. I'm going to be taking example of one of my video from my YouTube channel. Okay, so as you can see, my YouTube is currently not loading properly for some reason. So let me go to explore a feature. So okay, I'm not going to be choosing a random video. So let me go to my channel and choose one video that I have recently created. So I'm going to be taking example of this particular video and I'm going to be clicking on paste. So now I'm going to be clicking on next. And as you can see, how many link that you want to build. So I'm going to be recommending you to at least choose a 500, which will be more than enough. And how many drive feed you want. So I'm going to be suggesting you to go with a 5 and click on index link. This will allow a Google and other search engine to index all the link that you have got from the DFY Suite server, which will help you to rank your content. So as soon as I normally click on next, as you can see here, and this is the amount of a credit which will cost for creating this campaign. And if I click on create, my campaign will be created. But as you can see, keyword content invalid character, so that invalid character is this particular dot. Okay, so you cannot normally put any special character. So I'm gonna be only copying a DFY suite. I'm going to be copying a DFY suite and press enter. You can include more than a one keyword. Okay, so I'm going to be including this also as a keyword, but I'm going to be removing this particular dot. Let me put the space, and as you can see here, now I have included this keyword. So you can normally add as many keyword you want, but there will be a few limitation. I'm going to be recommending you to choose like a 3 to 4 keyword in which you are looking forward to rank. So now I'm going to be clicking on next button, next again for creating campaign, and click on create and click on next. And as you can see here, you do not have any credit. So currently this account do not has got this much amount of a credit. It only has got a 361 because I have already created a lot of normally campaigns. So I'm only going to be selecting 150 as an example for you, but you can choose as many credit you want. I'm going to be recommending you to go with a 500. Okay, so now as you can see here, my post is pending right now. Once this completely post and once this normally get index on their server, all of the detail will be provided in this particular complete report. Click on that and access that report. So now let's have a look to their network info. Network info means what is their domain authority and a page authority in which your content and your link are getting posted, and how you are going to be getting ranked. So as you can see, their domain authorities are pretty high, and their page authority is also really high. You can also go with a domains by TLDA status. So now let's go to a credit and a subscription. Okay, so now once your credit got finished, you can normally click on a add more credit button and purchase a credit. But I'm not going to be recommending you to buy a credit manually once that got finished, because you are going to be paying a lot of money to this process. So I'm going to be recommending you to buy the basic version and upgrade one of the product which will provide you a monthly credit. Okay, so another is integration. If you want to normally use a spin rewriter, which is an software that is going to be allowing you to rewrite the content and make it unique, that you can use to normally post the content on their server. And if you have got access to that software, you can go to an integrate system and integrate a tutorial. If you need a deep tutorial about the software, how you are going to be using it and all those things, you can go to that deep tutorial as well. So now let's have a look to a thing that I like about this product. Right, it is a software that you do not need to install. It is a complete software where you don't have to learn anything. No previous SEO knowledge or experience is required. As you have seen, you just need to create a campaign for ranking your content. No need of a social you don't need to create any social media account. You don't need to create a content. You don't need to have a proxy or something, and none of this stuff will be matter. And if you scroll it below, why this is good, because this is going to be allowing you to do a keyword research, on-page optimization, and content syndication and backlink building. This will easily help anyone who are looking forward to rank a blog, website or YouTube video on top of them. And the basic version of the product price will go up to a $67 one-time payment after the 24th of May. And if you are watching this after 24th of May, you probably have to pay a $67. But if you are watching before that, you only have to pay like a $33 price, which is really low one-time price. But after a couple of hours, the price will be increased by a 10 cents per sale, and this product is gonna be getting a maximum number of a sale every single hour. So you have to make sure you are gonna be getting your copy as soon as possible for the basic version. And as I have mentioned, you don't need to buy the credit manually. You can get your monthly credit, which will cost you $47 every single month, but you are going to be getting in a lot of credit every single month credited to your account for doing this syndication. And one of the best part that I like about this is this credit and this software is definitely going to be helping you to rank it. I'm also going to be showing you my result later on this video. And they have got an indexer platform which will cost you $97 extra. If you want to check indexing and all those stuff, you can normally get there this upgrade. So I'm not going to be going with other upgrade. You can normally check it out on your own. I'm going to be recommending you to get a basic version and upgrade number 1. Okay, so now if I normally go over here, how this software is going to be helping you. So it is going to be helping you to rank your video on Google Fast. It is going to be helping you to rank your product review video on the Google Fast for getting more sale. It will help you to rank any niche-based website on the Google. It will help you to normally rank a client website, and you can charge them thousands of dollars for ranking their website. It will help you to rank your YouTube video, not your video as well as a client video, because they are offering a commercial license as well, and charge them thousands of dollars. It will allow you to rank any website or a page in a matter of time. So these are some of the features that I really like about this product that you can also check out. And by clicking on this button, you can lock in your 10% discount plus high quality bonuses that I have got. The bonuses that I'm going to be offering you will be a YouTube ranking software, which is going to be helping you to normally rank your YouTube video. On top of the YouTube, you can also see my result. I have personally ranked a lot of video on a YouTube which has got thousands of views. I have got 5 different YouTube channel, and this is a different channel as you can see, and the channel this is a different channel. So I have created a multiple YouTube channel. I have ranked most of the content for driving a quality traffic to promote product as affiliate marketer, and I'm going to be showing you the exact same thing. I'm also going to be giving you my video ranking course. This will be the video ranking course. This will be a software where you are going to be getting a 1000+ keyword that you can use for your campaign that you are going to be creating on DFY Suite. This will be a course you are going to be learning how to create a backlink that will rank your video on top of the Google and the YouTube. Another will be ranking your video on 3 minutes, that how I was able to rank this particular video under a 3 minute, which has got more than 160 views in just a single day by using the exact same formula. Then I'm going to be showing you that how you can use a conversion funnel on your business, means how you can make more profit from the same percentage of a traffic, how you can start affiliate marketing on a 2021 to make thousands of dollars, how you can normally learn the bestest way for doing affiliate marketing. And this course is currently selling for $678. I'm giving you absolutely free of cost an agency right of the DFY Suite software, a sub syndication feature with 3 license, a done for you video embed for even faster video ranking, a keyword bootcamp training, and a live client attract bonus training. So these are the bonuses that you are going to be getting from a software side as well. So these all are a value that you are going to be getting. You just have to make sure you are going to be getting your copy from this blog website, and if you end up getting your copy, all of these bonuses will be completely free of cost. So I hope you have really enjoyed my DFY Suite 3.0 review. If you have really enjoyed, give it a thumbs up. If you have got anything to ask, let me know in the comment below. I will be looking forward to normally see you in my other video. And make sure, if you normally enjoy this kind of a content, make sure you are gonna be subscribing to my YouTube channel if you are watching this on my blog website. Okay, so Sabine signing out with a review of DFY Suite 3.0. I'm gonna be checking you out on the next one. Until then, take care and bye bye.